I wish if we had longer tonight, we could play more tunes, but Dawes is going to get up here and kick ass. Play for 4 hours, right? 4 straight hours. Just like everything. We're going to do, do you guys know who Randy Newman is?
Yeah.
We're going to do a Randy Newman song for you. I hope you enjoy it. My name is Robert Ellis, and I've got CDs and t-shirts for sale. Let me take the first one. You take the one. Got a gun in my holster, I got a horse between my knees, and I'm going to Arizona. Pardon me, boys, if you please. Well, my mama's in St. Louis, and my bride's in Tennessee. And I'm going to Arizona with a banjo on my knee. I'm a rider in the rain, just a rider in the rain. And I'm going to Arizona, just a rider in the rain. Desperado, raped and pillaged across the plains. Now I'm going to Arizona, just a rider in the rain. He's a rider in the rain, just a rider in the rain. And he's gone to Arizona, just a rider in the rain. Come on, take it. Well, I work at my uncle's feed store while he was fighting in the war. Now I'm going to Arizona, ain't gonna work for him no more. He's a rider in the rain, just a rider in the rain. And he's going to Arizona, just a rider in the rain. Yeah, I'm a rider in the rain, I'm just a rider in the rain. And I'm going to Arizona, just a rider in the rain. Thanks, guys. Dawes is up next.